Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Translate and granting microphone access. This is essential so the iPhone can capture speech in real time. Once done, pick your source and target languages and download the offline language pack if you expect poor connectivity, because local translation reduces lag. Next, position the iPhone about 6 inches to 1 foot from the speaker for clear input. Make sure live mode or conversation mode is enabled. That starts continuous listening, so translation flows without manual taps. Once listening, manage audio to improve accuracy. Lower or raise microphone sensitivity and set system volume so playback is audible but not clipping. If you're in a noisy place, enable noise cancellation or plug in a wired headset to isolate voices, because background noise is the main source of errors. Also, enable automatic detection when participants might switch languages. This helps the phone detect and translate without manual switching. Finally, test with a short sentence to confirm clarity. To finish, stop live mode and save any important translated phrases by tapping them to copy or save. This preserves context for later. If you need a clean transcript, export or screenshot the conversation right away, because histories may be limited. One key troubleshooting tip: if translations are inaccurate, retry the phrase slowly and clearly, switch to the offline language pack you downloaded, or restart the Translate app. These steps resolve most recognition and latency problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.